Your moment of silence. Yeah. Yo, my flows are venomous. I speak the language that scares the animals. Studio to me is a lab, so call me the prof, cause I mix different chemicals. I'm from Jerusalem, the city of gold. I killed the wise with the black mic that I hold. When I started this, I was 17 years old. Things are no longer the same as they were before. Each and every day we get a new info. But I got shocked when our president got arrested for rape. I still need to find out what was hidden on that tape. And if I do, maybe ANC will rule in Eastern Cape. I curse 1862, the year that Jan van Riebeeck came to SA with his crew. I'm just glad cause the devil got stuck in heaven till Messiah was released on February the 11th. I couldn't wait to tell the whole earth that Osama bin Laden was recently seen in Block F. Bush wasn't supposed to kill Saddam. He was supposed to take the black confess and bless them. Love is far away from him, that's the problem. I bless my black nation with the moral techniques, inspiration. I also bless the young coming black generation. We got freedom, we only left with reparation. I'm speaking on behalf of African youth. I'm fully prepared to die for the truth. They call me Coolfelo, the underground nuclear. I was chosen by God cause I got no fear. I ain't afraid of anybody, hope my message is clear. I'm underground like it's nobody's business. I'm meant to change the world cause the Lord is my witness. I hold the mic like an Indian holding a Cuban cigar. I'm a hardcore nigga, I rap like I'm from Chicago. I used to side with the devil some few years ago. I don't take 5 minutes to stroll on MC. Ride with my flows like you're riding with a taxi. I'm more than a diva, I spit the rhymes and I flow like a river. I'm a disease to the fake MC's liver. I make the God laugh every time when I spit the rhymes. I first take a path, I won't quit this game till all whites are dead. Coolfelo's moving around African's mountain with the crown on his head. Yeah, Coolfelo. If they ask you where I'm from South Africa. Yeah, a real hardcore nigga. Don't mess up with me. Yeah.
True that. Yeah. Africa One Love. Carlson Phoenix Production. Limbera Panda. Underground MC. Coolfelo. Love. Love. Love Africa. Love.